G'day, John Peterson here. This time I get to talk about my favourite topic of all time, and that's called business mastery. Years and years ago, when I had limiting beliefs, I used to think that, oh well, Tony Robbins uses that terminology as well. I don't know if I should, Having studied the 1% profile, the business mastery profile for now 30 years, and dare I say, having created more than 100 business masters myself as a consultant to them in helping them achieve their goals and dreams, I'm proud to say that business mastery is nothing more than a recipe to take into the kitchen. You can literally learn to master your business. There is a 5-step methodology that we've been studying and refining, and it works every time. So how do you follow that? Well, I'll just give you a hint. In the 5 stages, stage 1, 80% of what you do should be done by somebody else 100% of the time. Stage 2, 16% above the 80% is really project management and supervision. That's it. What does that leave you with? If you spend a few short years getting that model right, you're at stage 3, which is the momentum stage. You've only got 4% of the job, and guess what that is? You go full time into growth and building momentum and sustainable growth strategies and strategic directions. That's level 3. Stage 4 is building the sustainability, giving some profit share back to the right people, structuring an equity participation model, an intergenerational corporate governance model that allows talent to rise to the top, cream to rise to the top. And stage 5 is just building the reporting system that allows you anywhere in the cloud worldwide to see the KPIs of your business 24/7 on an iPad or a smart device. They're the 5 stages. Anyone can master a business. It's the best thing in the world to take on as a non-limiting belief. And who knows what you can do if you take yourself seriously. That's all for now. See you next time.